Hello, I've got an unboxing for you today. I can't quite review this because it is app supported, app compatible, Android and iOS. But it's been a while since I've reviewed any LED lights. I used to review a lot of them. This is from a company called Minger, and it is the Minger DreamColor LED strip lights, built-in IC, 16.4 feet, 5 meter LED lights, sync to music, waterproof, RGB rope light with app, 150 LEDs, SMD 5050, flexible strip lighting, LED tape lights, DC 12 volt UL listed. Yes, that is the listing for Amazon, the name of it. It's $33.99 right now, and prime shipping, of course. Now, just basic information on the back here, nothing major. It comes in the box, obviously, but it comes in the tape film, like a film roll, actually, is what these remind me of, really. There's a user guide here, and it's interesting. It's been a long time since I've looked at any of these LED lights, and it's interesting in how they've changed, or how they've, progressed and stuff like that. But here it is here. Let's get this out. There it is. This is the main part, of course, obviously. There is an inline control here for power, brightness, and you can switch the modes and stuff like that. But it also has a built-in microphone as well, so it can actually sing and dance to the music. But also you can control it with an app called ambient, I believe is what it's called. I'd have to look it up again. My head's a bit fuzzy. I got a sinus issue going on here, so you gotta bear with me. Anyway, okay, here we go. On and off, which I already said we knew. Color adjustment there, and this is mode adjustment and brightness adjustment, actually. It is a double click type of deal, quick click, little click. The app method is iHoment Light, IHOMENT is the app, and it connects over Bluetooth, which I'm really curious to see about here. Here is the lights. And I'm not going to unroll the whole thing, obviously. It's pretty big. 5 meters, as it were. But there it is there. It's, very flexible, waterproof. You can pretty much put them anywhere. And I believe there is adhesive on the back, too. Which, the adhesive isn't the greatest. I mean, at least I don't know on this one. I'm not sure. But I know on the other ones I had, the adhesive wasn't the best. I had to figure out another way to fasten them up because they fell eventually. But, whatever. Here is this. This is the power supply here. Standard, wall wart type of deal. Let me grab, see if I can grab this. Let's plug this in here. This is the power, of course. And then I will plug it in. And power. Oops. Power. Okay. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Okay, on, off. Instruction for you. Short press the switch to turn the strip on and off. Okay. It ain't doing nothing. Long press, maybe? This could be a problem. Huh. Uh-oh. Am I powered on here? Yeah. My strip is powered on, but I don't have any power to the LEDs here. That could be an issue, huh? Okay. What am I doing wrong? Oh. Okay. What did I do? I did something funky. I just saw light. Is it this somewhere, maybe? Okay. Something funky going on. Oh, wait, there it goes. I don't understand. Oh, it's in music mode apparently, or something like that, I guess. Okay, that's off. That's on. I don't understand what I just did, but I'm losing the power supply. Okay, well, as you can see, it activates to music, or to my voice, as it were, because it's right there. There it is there. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't know why it wasn't working. That's weird. I don't know. I just got this. You know, I didn't test it or anything like that. That's how I like to do my unboxings, because you know, basically I'm unboxing it to. Yeah, there are various colors. Anyway, various colors here you can scroll through, but with the app, you can go like 16 million colors or something like that. You can change all the different hues and stuff like that. But let's see this here. We have modes, short press, color switch button can switch the cycle. The last one, a total of 7 colors. The last one for the color cycle. Okay, so it'll cycle colors. Short press the mode button, switch between color mode and music mode. Okay. No. Here we go. Okay. Long press to adjust the brightness. So, maybe. So if I do that, there we go. Okay, that'd be in a regular mode. And you can change the brightness. Just hold it in. Huh, cool. Huh. Can't wait to play with the app, actually. That's going to be interesting. Again, sorry about that. Again, I you know, do my unboxings. And because, you know, as soon as I get the stuff, or the day after, and I don't actually test them or use them. Because, you know, I want them to be like just the viewer getting it. Anyway, short press off. Neat product. I can't wait to play with the app, of course. Interesting, that's for sure. Especially the modes there. It changes all different colors for the sound. That's kind of cool. I can't wait to get it strung up, actually. I think my son's going to really like this one. The last one I got for him, he's been using it every night. We've actually bought 2 power supplies for it. But anyway, MINGER DreamColor LED light strip. Seems like a neat product, I think. So far, so good. I'm going to have to test the Bluetooth app out later and let you know how it is. Link to the review will be down below in the description once it's up. Thanks a lot.